Hello, in this video I want to explain about UTS app. Now go to Play Store. Here UTS. You have to download this app UTS. Then already I have installed UTS. I am going there. I will tell you how to recharge and how to book ticket. Go to UTS. After download the app, you have to register with your mobile number and get the login details. Also you have to give Aadhaar number. After finishing that, go to our wallet. Here your password will ask. Apply your password. Then go to our wallet. Recharge. Here you have to recharge some amount, 100 to 1000 rupees. That may be round figure like 100 or 200, like that you have to recharge. Then click recharge. Here Paytm, you can use Paytm, then make payment. Again here there are so many options will available: debit card, credit card, net banking, like that. Already I have recharged, so no need to recharge again. You have to recharge. Now see my our wallet balance. Already I have the balance 456. From this balance I can use for book tickets. Like this is normal booking ticket means normal booking means you have to travel from one station to another station. So click here. Here you have to enter nearby station. That means you must be within 2 kilometers and 20 feet away from the railway track. Nearby station you have to select. Then here the destination station where you have to go. Please note that it is only for unreserved ticket, not for reservation tickets. Say like that, Ambattur. Done. Here everything say number of passengers, then journey, return journey or single journey, like that. Ordinary, second class, from our wallet. This should be our wallet. So there is no other things. Then click OK. Finish. That is the procedure to book a ticket. Please note that this ticket you have to show from your mobile only, that is mobile application. You should not take a printout or you should not take a photo and show it from another mobile. It will not be available. Similarly, you can book a monthly ticket. See book tickets. Go to season ticket. Book travel paperless. Issue a new ticket. Here you can select the, here already I have a valid season ticket, so that I cannot buy the ticket. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.